Hi, my name is Gary Stewart. I'm the director of Light of Spain. Today you'll be seeing 3 of our teams which are going to be presenting. The first of which is AudioSnaps. AudioSnaps has a patent-pending technology for photography that we believe will take a big chunk out of Instagram's market. Why? Because they have a team of serial entrepreneurs that have won a lot of prizes, but even more importantly, they have been generating really interesting metrics. So without much further ado, I'd like to introduce you to the CEO of AudioSnaps, which is Mark Sayent. Mark?
Well, hi, I'm Mark Sayent from AudioSnaps. Thank you, Gary. Well, the thing is that we've always been told that photography is about capturing moments, but in fact we are just capturing images. There's a lot of motion, there's a big chunk of the environment that gets lost along the way. So this is why we created AudioSnaps, or social network format, an application that records 5 seconds of sound at the same time that you take a picture. Let me show you a few examples. This is the last time that I could go on holidays, a long time ago. The sound of water is much more evocative than the image of water itself. Or this picture, this is Carnival in Barcelona. Those who like this kind of music probably want to stand up and dance. This picture changes your mood actually. Or this one, can you imagine to be browsing picture in 10 years and find this picture of your kids? So a question immediately arises, why not video? The thing is that video is perfect to tell stories, while photography is perfect. It's the perfect tool to capture a moment. You use one instead of the other, you usually get the wrong results. But there's a key aspect of photography that we want to keep, that's spontaneity. Taking a picture is fast, is easy, you get the wrong picture, you can take another one. And we need to keep that in AudioSnaps to better capture memories. And did we accomplish that? Absolutely. I just took the picture, done. Taking an AudioSnap is exactly the same process as taking a picture. Users don't have to change their habits, but then we'll get better results. And and at this point, okay, we have an image, we have an audio file. What we found was the way to embed this audio inside of a standard JPEG file, and we have a patent pending on that. That specifically covers the way that we embed the audio, but also the way that we read this audio in any standard web browser. A single JavaScript line of code is enough to play in any AudioSnap. We know that there's other people trying to do the same, like Samsung, but we are the only ones who have created a universal format, a format that can be read in any platform, in any browser, in any existing device. And that's helping us quite a lot. 2 months after launching, we acquired our first 20,000 users with almost no investment in marketing, who made 26,000 pictures with an activity rate of 81%. We are applying Twitter's methodology here, who according to several sources has something like 47% of activity rate. So we are happy with those stats. But of course, we have to monetize those users. First, the obvious premium services. We have some cool ideas about that, but well. Second, advertising in our network. We have made the first pilot with Stefanel, a top Italian fashion brand, and we are working with Diesel and Nike to see how they could use our network because they are interested in our format and our users. And the third one, the one that will be the source of the biggest income, licensing the technology. We have to bear in mind that all traditional digital cameras, all smartphones, already have all the hardware that they need to play AudioSnaps. They only need more software or license. In that sense, both Sony New Ventures and Facebook UK has shown interest in using our format, and well, some other brands lately. The core team behind AudioSnaps is essentially Daniel Southwest and myself. We have worked in top brands around the world, where we have got the top awards thanks to our developments and our advertising campaigns, including a Cannes Grand Prix, which is the biggest that you can get in advertising. And we have created and successfully managed companies in places like China, Spain, UK, Italy, so we are not scared of going around. This year, we already got some recognition too. We were the winners of the DemoCamp during the Mobile World Congress. And we are closing our first round with 101 startups and Lanta Digital Ventures, who are specialized in licensing technology. So we are happy with this deal. But we don't want to make the next big app. There's no fun in that. What we want to do is to disrupt photography, to change the meaning of taking a pic, to improve the way that people share their memories. So for that, we are opening our next round on Q1 at the end of Q1 next year to raise $1,300,000 to spend essentially on marketing, to communicate the format, customer acquisition, and planting the first viral seeds, and consolidating the technology and marketing team to give service to all those licenses. So let's talk afterwards. Thank you.